In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Jira ticket. We'll walk through this inside a typical Jira service management project using the support queues. Even if your screen looks slightly different, the overall flow will be the same, so follow along and adapt it to your setup. Start by opening your Jira service management project and going to the support section where your queues live. From there, choose the queue that shows all your open requests. This is usually called something like All Open, and it lists every ticket that still needs attention. Find the ticket you want to close in that list and click on it to open the detailed view. This is where you'll see the request description, comments, and any linked issues. Once the ticket is open, look for the transition button that will move the ticket toward completion. In this case, that's the Complete button. Clicking Complete usually starts the closing process for that request. Depending on how your workflow is configured, Jira may prompt you to fill in some additional fields before it actually moves the ticket to a done or closed status. You'll see a field with a placeholder like Please Select. Click into that dropdown. Here, you might be asked to choose a resolution code, a reason for closure, or another required value. In our example, we're selecting an option labeled 1000. In your system, this might be something more descriptive, like Fixed, Done, or Resolved. The important thing is that you choose the value your team expects, so reports and metrics stay accurate. Next, you may see a section related to issue links, such as options like Blocks or Is Reviewed By. Click into these to define how this ticket relates to other Jira issues. If you're prompted to type into a field, start entering the issue key for the related ticket, then select the option that appears to confirm it. This helps keep your dependency tracking clear before you close anything. Before finalizing, decide how you want to communicate. You'll usually have a toggle or buttons to switch between replying to the customer and adding an internal comment. Click Reply to Customer if you need to send a closing message, or switch to Add Internal Comment if you're just leaving a note for your team. You can click between these options as needed to make sure the right information is visible to the right audience. After you've set the required fields, linked any relevant issues, and chosen the appropriate comment type, click the highlighted action button to complete the transition. At this point, the ticket moves out of the open queue and into its final status, and your Jira ticket is successfully closed.